How to invite your friends by Snapchat on your Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to invite your friends to your Instagram by Snapchat. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Now click on follow and invite friends. It's the first option. And now click on the last option, which is invite friends. And now click on Snapchat and choose your friends. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.